We're speaking with a recent customer of Gator Metal Roofing, Mr. and Mrs. Frierson. How are you doing today?
Fine, thank you.
Awesome. So you guys recently got a Gator Metal shingle roof. How was your experience working with Gator Metal Roofing?
So far, excellent.
Those gentlemen that put the roof on, they have skill.
Awesome. Yes, they've actually won some awards and they're one of our best teams. You have some of the best working on your home.
It's reflected.
Yes.
The work they do.
So why did you want a metal shingle roof?
Well, the roof itself is about 22 years old, and we did have a few leaks. So going back to the shingles, we decided to get a metal roof. And this particular metal roof here, I didn't want the panel with this house here. I think what we have today go excellent with the style of the house.
Yes, I agree. It's so beautiful. So you wanted the shingle look, but the durability and the longevity of metal roofing.
Yeah.
Yes,
Awesome.
absolutely.
So you guys picked the color Ironwood. What made you choose that color?
It blends in with the bricks. We spoke with several salesmen, and Jonathan came over and we discussed it more in detail. And again, eventually they wanted to put the panel, but I said, nope, we want something a little better.
Yes.
The next level, which is, again, what we have there now.
So whenever you called Gator Metal Roofing to schedule your appointment, what did you think about the customer service and the people you talked to?
It was fine. We had no problem. I think several days, they sent a salesperson out, and we sat at the table, and I told them what I wanted, and we went from there.
Awesome. And as far as the installation process and the time it took from your appointment to get it installed, were there any hiccups along the way, and how were those resolved?
Not at all.
No hiccups.
On the contract, they gave you 2 to 10 weeks, and as you see, they're doing a wonderful job, excellent job, and we should be through in a couple of days, hopefully.
Awesome, yes. So what stood out to you about a Gator Metal roof? What were some of the benefits besides the look that you were going for?
The longevity.
Yes.
Yes. We've been here 22, hope they can get 25 years out of it. But as you say, it's the lifetime warranty.
Yes, absolutely.
And in regard to energy, save us a little light bill here and there, whatever.
Yes.
And again, the beautification, yes, it raised the value of the house.
Did you get any more estimates for your roofs?
What other? But if you're out to do something, your mind is set, sometimes money is not
It wasn't the issue. We just wanted the quality.
Yes.
We're going to be here another 25 years plus, hopefully.
Awesome.
This is my last
And the roof's going to be here. And like I say, anything go wrong, we just call you guys up, and here we are.
Absolutely. That is in our lifetime warranty. Do you feel like you got a great deal with Gator Metal Roofing?
Yes,
Yes, we did.
Compared to other companies that I heard, investigated, it's one of the better deals here.
Awesome. And would you recommend Gator Metal Roofing to your friends and family?
Yes.
Highly
I would.
recommend.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much for your time.
You're welcome.
Thank you.